Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are showcasing the best waffle makers to transform your mornings. From classic designs to advanced features, we've reviewed the top options to help you make the perfect waffle every time. Stay tuned to find the ultimate waffle maker for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. DMW 100WP Mini Waffle Maker Machine for Individuals. This mini waffle maker is a charming and budget-friendly addition to your kitchen, whether you have ample space or are working in tight quarters. Its compact size is perfect for dorms, apartments, and camping. With its added functionality, you can easily whip up a complete breakfast feast without needing any pots or pans. We love that it comes in a variety of bold colors and prints, allowing you to match your kitchen decor or choose your favorite just for fun. Our lab testers found the Mini Waffle Maker extremely easy to use. The unit starts preheating automatically once plugged in, and it's ready for batter when the blue indicator light turns on. It fully cooked a 4-inch waffle in just a few minutes. Although there's no light or sound indicator to signal when the waffle is done, so you'll need to keep an eye on it, the Dash impressed us with its strong performance, producing well-browned and evenly cooked waffles, complete with small crispy dimples. Despite their miniature size, these waffles are not lacking in texture or hardness. Testers noted that they had excellent height and fluffiness. Pros: affordable price, available in fun colors and prints, cooks quickly, family-friendly. Cons: no browning settings. Number 2. Cuisinart WMR Cap 2 Round Classic Waffle Maker. While its performance wasn't as consistent as our top pick, this Cuisinart waffle maker still delivers good waffles quickly and at a very low price. It was the fastest cooking unit among all the waffle makers we tested, finishing a waffle in about 1 minute and taking only 2.5 minutes to preheat. A sliding control lets you choose from 5 different browning settings, and a convenient green light indicates when it's ready to cook and when the waffle is done. However, there's no audible signal, so you'll need to keep an eye on the machine. The main drawback of this waffle maker is that it didn't cook evenly in our tests. With just 300 watts of power, it left the edges and center of each waffle lighter than the rest. This inconsistency was noted across all Dunner settings. Additionally, this machine emitted more steam than other models, which turned out to be somewhat helpful. We found that the waffles were usually done cooking when the steam subsided, often a few seconds after the green indicator light turned on. It's designed to hold half a cup of batter per waffle, a measurement that proved to be very accurate, filling the maker perfectly with minimal dripping. Number 3. Presto 03510 Ceramic Flip-Side Belgian Waffle Maker. This model stands out with its unique side-to-side flipping design. As opposed to the typical rotating waffle makers, this feature helps distribute the batter evenly, resulting in uniform 1-inch thick, 7-inch round waffles. While it takes up a bit more counter space when opened, it locks securely and can be stored vertically once cooled. The Presto Flip-Side also boasts a digital countdown timer. While the manufacturer suggests a 4-minute cooking time, adjustments can be made to suit personal taste. Cleanup is straightforward too. The grill plates are coated with non-stick ceramic, ensuring that a quick wipe down after cooling leaves it looking immaculate. This waffle maker is perfect for whipping up chicken and waffles at home. Its even cooking and easy cleanup make it highly practical. It also adds a touch of elegance to your countertop with its stainless steel exterior. However, it lacks a locking handle, which can lead to batter spills during the side-to-side flipping. The unit heats up quickly but doesn't reach very high temperatures, which means longer cooking times. It includes a short 1 or 2-minute timer for flipping, but waffles may take over 10 minutes to brown, necessitating frequent beeps. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Flip Belgian Waffle Maker. In our testing of this waffle maker, we were particularly impressed by its consistent delivery of perfectly crisp, brown waffles. It heats up quickly and operates simply. Once the ready indicator light illuminates, you pour in the batter, close the lid, and flip. Within 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the browning setting selected, you'll enjoy delightful Belgian waffles. We noted that the lower browning settings, 1 and 2, produced somewhat uneven results, but setting 3 yielded waffles that could rival those from a restaurant. This unit is equipped with Durathan ceramic non-stick grids that are designed to resist cracking or peeling over time. These grids are also removable and dishwasher safe, which proved extremely convenient as nothing stuck to them, even without the use of cooking spray or oil. The primary drawback we found is its size. The waffle maker occupies a significant amount of cabinet space, which might not be ideal for those with limited kitchen storage. Pros: flips for even cooking, removable, dishwasher-safe grids, cool touch handle. Cons: takes up more storage space than other models. Number 5. Cuisinart WAF 300p1 Belgian waffle maker. The Cuisinart WAF 300p1 is a classic and dependable waffle maker that emerged as our top choice following extensive testing. It features 6 distinct heat settings, each proving useful. The lowest setting produced soft, fully cooked waffles, while the highest yielded crispy, browned but not burnt ones. It took 4 minutes to preheat, a bit longer than other models, but it compensates with a green light and a beep that signals when it's ready to cook. The non-stick interior surface of this waffle iron ensures easy waffle release and straightforward cleanup. We achieved great results with both yeasted and non-yeasted batters, though they required a bit of extra effort to spread and swirl into the corners of the iron. The iron's round shape creates a classic Belgian waffle, scored into 4 even quadrants. While the WAF 300p1 was among the slower models we tested, it consistently produced excellent waffles in just over 3 minutes, priced reasonably. There's little to fault with this machine, though it is somewhat bulky and requires considerable storage space. What we like: non-stick surface for easy cleanup, simple to use, consistent performance. What we don't like: bulky.